We have made a Wikipedia about the United Kingdom in the 21st century. First of all, I will like to tell you something about the demographics in the United Kingdom. United Kingdom is a total of 4 countries, which is England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. In England there is a population of 53,012,456 people, which is 83% of the total amount of people living in the UK. In Scotland there is a population of people, which is 8.4% of the total amount of people living in the UK. In Wales there is 3,063,456, which makes up 4.8%. In Northern Ireland there is 1,810,863 people, which makes up 2.9%. And the total amount of people in the United Kingdom is 63,181,775. And all these numbers are from 2011. The 20 largest immigrant groups, according to a forecast made in 2011, are the following countries: India, Poland, Pakistan, Ireland, Germany, China, Bangladesh, South Africa, Nigeria, United States, Jamaica, Italy, Kenya, France, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Australia, Zimbabwe, Lithuania and Somalia.
England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland are the 4 countries included in the UK. They almost lost Scotland, but they did.
In the UK, the Prime Minister leads the government with the support of the Cabinet and Ministers. The Prime Minister is head of the UK government. He is ultimately responsible for all policy and decisions. He oversees the operation of the civil service and government agencies. He appoints members of the government. He is the principal government figure in the House of Commons. The Prime Minister is David Cameron, and he is based at number 10 Downing Street in London. The cabinet is made up of the senior members of government. Every week during Parliament, members of the cabinet meet to discuss the most important issues for the government. Ministers are chosen by the Prime Minister from the members of the House of Commons and House of Lords. They are responsible for the actions, successes and failures of the departments. And there are in total 119 ministers. Yes.
In 2001, following September 11 attacks on target in the US, PM Tony Blair offered strong support for the US lead against the international terrorism. British forces take part in the airstrikes on targets in Afghanistan. In 2004, Lord Houghton delivers findings from inquiry into the death of government scientists. His report exonerates government heavily cried at the BBC. In 2005, 52 people are killed and around 700 are injured in 4 suicide bomb attacks on London's transport network. 2 weeks later, we bombers failed to detonate 4 devices on London's transport network. In 2005, Tony Blair suffered his first House of Commons defeat as Prime Minister when MPs vote against increasing from 14 to 90 days. The length of time of terrorist suspect can be held without charge. Instead, the back increased into 28 days.
2006 November, former Russian security service officer Alexander Litvinenko, an outspoken critic of the Kremlin, living in exile in London, dies there after being poisoned by a radioactive substance. 2007 July, diplomatic row between London and Moscow over Britain's bid for the extradition of Andrei Lugovoy, an ex-KGB agent accused of Mr. Litvinenko's murder. 2010 May, Conservative Party wins most seats but fails to gain an absolute majority. Conservative leader David Cameron becomes PM at the head of a coalition with the third-place Liberal Democrats. 2010 October, coalition announces large-scale public spending cuts aimed at reducing UK's budget deficit with an average 19% 4-year cut in budgets of government departments. 2010 November, UK concludes military and nuclear accord with France. Under the terms of the new treaty, the two countries will cooperate in testing nuclear warheads. Prince William, eldest son of the Prince of Wales and second in line to the throne, and Kate Middleton marry in a ceremony watched by millions around the world. They received the titles of Duke and Duchess in Cambridge. 2014 Scotland votes no to independence.
Tak for i aften.